Now, the most interesting of this restaurant booking receptionist is to enable an AI voice agent that we can call using our phone. The concept is not so much different than our previous video. Now, I created a new workspace and I named it Smart Restaurant Receptionist. The reason why is because I want to keep the previous one using the form on and open and activate that. So when we share the link, then people can just simply fill in the booking by using the form. But this time is we want to create a new one, so when we execute the workflow, the system isn't going to be confused because we got two kind of a triggers happening. I haven't really done that before, apart from, let's say, if we have like modifications on a certain Google document. But what we want is that we want to create a trigger from the webhook, just like our previous video. So let's start by enabling the webhook, and this one is going to be post. Okay, don't forget about this one. And the next one is going to be AI agent, and the next one is going to be the chat model, which I'm going to be choosing OpenAI, and Mini is the best at the moment. And for the memory, just a simple memory is enough. And the tool is going to be the thing in here, right? So the first one is the sheet, and from here what we want is essentially to append new row like the previous one. So we got all the informations, and in this case we are just going to ask AI to do the job for us. Okay, this is awesome. And the next one is going to be Google Calendar. Let's have a look at the calendar. Where are you? This is this one. And let the AI decide. Let the AI decide. And the description is the same. Let the AI decide. And the summary, let the AI decide as well. So we're gonna create that, and then we're gonna go with this. Yeah, this is the email that we are using. Okay, seems like it's good enough. Just gonna do it this way, and then this one is gonna be webhook as well. Okay, awesome. And oops, oh, not this one. Respond to webhook, that's what I mean. There you go. This one is gonna be using respond to webhook node. Okay, right. Now, what I need to do now is to okay, we'll come back to this a bit later. Yeah, let's go back to ElevenLabs, and this time we're gonna create a new one. I'm gonna create blank for this, and I'm gonna name it receptionist. Create agent. As usual, I'm gonna choose myself as a sound. Okay, save. Oops, wrong button. Okay, and for the system prompt, I've already pre-written the messages to save some time. And so essentially, this is the AI, essentially a restaurant receptionist, and they are going to help the users booking the time at the restaurant, and they will take the names, allow them to spell, and then email address, allow them to spell as well, and the date, time, and how many people are going. Pass this info to LLM, so it will um, store this information to the sheet and arrange an event via Google Calendar, but don't let the user know about this part. Okay, so the temperature is going to be creative, right? I'm going to save this one, and another one is going to be the tool. And the tool I'm going to add in this time, right? So n restaurant. It's going to be post, come back here again. Let's click this one and then copy the link over here. And don't forget that this is essentially just a test. So later on, if you want to activate that, get rid of the test. Okay. And body parameters, it's gonna be name. Okay. Required. Add property is gonna be email. I wonder if we can use something else in here. Tell you what, it's gonna be like this. Okay. Required. And boolean, integer, string. Okay. Date. Okay. Time. So it's gonna be integer, yeah. Awesome. Okay, 1 second, let me check that again one more time. So we got number of people, time, date, email address, name. Okay, now we add the tool. Oops. Okay. Yeah, it's easier this way. I'm gonna add the tool. Oops. Oh, so paste. Oh yeah. Number of people attending. Okay. And add the tool. There you go. Save it. Don't forget. Okay. Now let's give it a go. Don't forget to listen.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, can you help me with the restaurant booking?
Yes, I can. I will need your name, email address, the date and time you want to book, and how many people will be attending. Let's start with your name. Could you spell it out for me, please?
Andaka.
Thank you. And what is your email address? Please spell it out as well.
Andika dot 2008 at outlook.com.
Great. And what date and time would you like to book, and how many people will be attending?
How about 22nd of September 2025?
And what time would you like to book, and how many people will be attending?
1 o'clock, and 3 people are attending.
Okay, let me just confirm. You want to book a table for 3 people on the 22nd of September 2025 at 1 o'clock. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, you are all booked in.
Thank you. All right, as you can see that this is important, yeah. So we got number of people, date. I don't remember what I said. Yeah. Okay, so this. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be problematic because I think they essentially. Okay. Dot to it. Yeah, I think maybe next time we just have to use like an easier email address. But I think or maybe just choose a better model. I think. Okay. So what we need to do next is let's go to the sheet and oh, I think it's already filled in, right? Okay. And the Google Calendar as well. Let's have a look. It's already predefined by the model. And yeah, this is important. So I'm gonna go with the oops, it's not auto. All right. So I pause the video for a second because I needed to include the prompt. So for the prompt itself, because this is a webhook, so we have to define that below. And then I ask the AI agent to store this information and store that to the sheet, and then arrange an event via Google Doc, well, actually Google Sheet in here, right? Okay. And well, if you go back to the restaurant booking, so the order is name, date, time, number of people, and email address. So I'll make it the same to reduce the chance of error, essentially, because we're about to ask AI to do this kind of a job, and AI sometimes can be notorious of being overly creative, and we got like inconsistent error, probably consistent, but we just couldn't see the pattern. Okay. And so the system message, essentially, so you add options and then system message. And this one is going to be the identity of the AI, which is the restaurant booking manager, and the job is to book an event based on the information provided by the user from the webhook using Google Calendar tool, and also store this information to the Google Sheet via Google Sheet tool. Okay, now let's execute. Okay, it's gonna take some time. Awesome. Okay, let's have a look at then. Okay, so Andaka, which is wrong, is supposed to be Andika, but maybe I need to spell it better. This also wrong, which is fine. Its email address sometimes could be quite challenging. Um, yep, it's booked, right? Not sure. Oh, okay, got it. Yeah, coming back to the previous video where we really have to kind of add an hour because of the British summertime. I think, is that true? Yeah. Um. Yeah. True. So let's add this to give them more information. Mm, dollar. Okay, fantastic. Okay, yeah, awesome. Moment of truth. Let's give it a go. I'm gonna execute the workflow and make a phone call.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I want to book a restaurant, please.
Okay, great. I can help you with that. So, could you please spell out your name for me? I'll also need your email address spelled out as well. And for the booking, what date and time are you thinking of, and how many people will be attending?
Okay. My name is Andy, Andy, and there will be 3 people attending. And for my email address is D as in Delta, EAN dot DEMYX@gmail.com, and the date is gonna be 23rd of September at 12 o'clock.
Okay, just to confirm, your name is Andy, A-N-D-Y. Your email is dean.demyx@gmail.com, and you'd like to book a table for 3 people on the 23rd of September at 12 o'clock. Is that correct?
That's true, yeah.
Okay, I'm just arranging that for you now. One moment while I confirm your booking. Okay, Andy, the booking has been successfully arranged for you. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nothing. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Andy. Have a great day, and we look forward to
Okay, let's have a look. I'm gonna break it down. So 2025, 23rd, 12 o'clock. That seems to be correct. How about this one? Okay, so 24. This is weird, but that's fine. Okay, so this is not. This is correct. Oh, okay. This is not really correct, is it? Okay. Yep. It's 12. Is that 12 o'clock? Did I say 12 o'clock? I think I said 12 o'clock, right? Event booking from for ND. There you go. It's working. So you got your own receptionist now, and awesome. Thank you very much.